Today we will do another question of expansion in which we have to find the value of this question 0.75 into 0.75 into 0.75 plus 0.25 into 0.25 into 0.25 upon 0.75 into 0.75 into 0.75 oh sorry 0.75 into 0.75 minus 0.75 into 0.25 plus 0.25 into 0.25. Now by using the identity we have to find the value of this question. So applying the identity, we will apply the identity a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square plus b square plus minus ab. Here we will use this identity in which we will modify this identity as a cube plus b cube upon a square plus b square minus ab equal to a plus b. So putting a equal to 0.75 and putting b equal to 0.25 and comparing this question to this identity, we will get our answer as 0.75 into 0.75 into 0.75 plus 0.25 into 0.25 into 0.25 upon 0.75 into 0.75 minus 0.75 into 0.25 plus 0.25 into 0.25. Now we will compare this question to this identity. So 0.25 0.75 into 0.75 into 0.75, we can write 0.75 as cube 0.75 cube plus this 302.025 we can write as 0.25 as cube, because these 0.25 is in multiplication, so we have written in cube form. Now 0.75 whole square minus 0.75 into 0.25 plus 0.25 whole square. Now comparing this part of question to this equation, we are same. Now we will get our answer by equating this identity to this question. We will get a plus b. In this question we will get it as 0.75 plus 0.25. See, here we have here comparing this part of question to this. See, here it is written 0.75 three times, so we can also write this 0.75 as 0.75 cube plus here 0.25 is written three times, so we will write this 0.25 as cube, and here 0.75 is written 2 times, so we will write 0.75 as a square, and this 0.25 is written 2 times, which is in multiplication, so we have written this 0.25 as a square, and this part of question we have written as it is. So comparing this to this part of identity, the answer will come automatically as a plus b, which in our case is a is 0.75 and b is 0.25. So a plus b, which is 0.75 plus 0.25. So our answer will come by adding these two, which comes to as 1, and this is our answer.